I started my journey as an overseas worker on March 30, 2012, and it was one of the biggest decisions I made in my career. I never thought or dreamed of working abroad. Whenever I saw college friends post pictures in social media of their new work environment, new friends, and new adventures abroad, I would say, wow, what a beautiful place and experience they have. I will even tell myself, yes, I wanted to go there too, but not to work, but rather for leisure or vacation only. I was happy and content working in the Philippines, enjoying my time with my family and friends. My turning point happened sometime in October 2010. Being the eldest child in a brood of 6 and a breadwinner, part of my responsibility is to help my siblings finish their education. I remember it was during the enrollment period of the second college semester, and I was pressed to provide for the tuition fees of my brothers. I realized at that point that I wasn't earning enough to pay for their schooling and some expenses at home. That gave birth for the desire to look for greener pastures. I've worked for 3 different employers in the Philippines for 7 years. However, due to constant price hike in commodity, utility, and tuition fees, I've decided to consider to work abroad to provide a better living for my family. First, understand that it is a calling. Depending on your circumstances and needs, you would know if working abroad is for you or not. You need to identify that strong urge within you as to why you wanted to work abroad. You need to be sure that your decision is out of your own positive will and not because someone else pressured you to pursue it or because of a negative emotion or situation. You need to assess the cost of leaving your family and loved ones and all the conveniences you have in your home country. Then ask yourself, is it worth it leaving all of this behind? Second, have the right character. The moment you step out of your comfort zone, anticipate that you will face a lot of challenges that will test your character. It took me 7 years of character testing to prepare me to go out of the country. There are many traits that lead to success, but here are 3 of my favorites. First, humility. Consider others better than yourself. If you think that you are already good enough, just remember that some people are already ahead of you. No matter what your job title is, always remember that as a newbie, you will be the one to adjust and adapt to their culture and standards. Sometimes you will think that your ideas are better than theirs. That's fine, and there's nothing wrong with that. But depending on your communication and quality of relationship to them, it will determine whether they find you arrogant or helpful. Second, integrity. Build an image that is worthy of respect and trust. As a rookie, have a mindset that everybody is watching you. You need to be careful with what you say or do, including what you post in social media. You don't have to impress them, but if you are able to do what is right, then you will have peace and sense of fulfillment. Your integrity will define who you are. And as long as you have a solid faith and knowledge of your capacity, then you know that you can go far beyond what you can imagine, no matter what others think about you. Third, commitment. Prove that you are someone they can rely on. The moment you were hired, it is no longer a question if you are a qualified worker or not. The fact that you pass all the screening and interviews means that you are capable of doing what is expected of you. Be a team player. Be ready to work with diverse people. You should know that not all people are nice. Some will try to pull you down, but as long as you are able to do what you are required to do, or better yet, go beyond what is expected of you, then you will receive your reward in due time. Be someone who is willing to learn. Sometimes you need to unlearn first so you can relearn new things. So we already talked about understanding your calling and having the right character will help you prepare to work abroad. The third important thing that I'll be sharing with you is you need to be courageous. Working overseas has its trade-offs. You'll have the opportunity to earn more, but it will cost you your time and physical presence with your family. If you're able to get a good contract, you can go home for vacation at least once a year. But for some, it can take many years before they can be reunited with their families. You should be ready to deal with being homesick. For some, it could be just days, weeks, or months before they can fully accept that they are now in a different environment. There will be inconveniences along the way, depending on where you will be assigned. If before you have your own room to sleep in and own space to relax, working abroad in some cases will allow you to experience room sharing and will not provide you space of your own. Again, if you're able to get a contract that will provide a good housing condition, all is well and good. But in most cases, people will rather save money to send to their families rather than avail of lavish necessities such as housing, car, etc. If you're someone who doesn't know how to drive, working overseas can be difficult regarding commuting. Some transportation systems are very strict on time. If you miss a train or bus, you might wait 30 minutes to an hour for you to get the next ride. Only in the Philippines you'll find various means of public transportation. Taxis abroad are sometimes expensive, and if you really want to save, you'd rather wait or sometimes you have to walk than spending more on transportation. These are just a few examples of simple inconveniences, and there are more. An overseas worker has to deal with risks like job loss, which can be tragic, especially to one's family. Some would think that working abroad is a path to a better life, but little do they know that overseas workers encounter daily challenges. Working abroad is entering a world of greater challenges and adjustments. Will you be willing to endure everything and trade your conveniences in the Philippines for greener pastures abroad? I will end with this. A saying goes that when the going gets tough, the tough get going. Understanding your calling and possessing the right character will help you build the courage you need to be successful wherever God will place you. God bless your journey.